Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to appear offline on Instagram. Want to browse Instagram without anyone knowing? This video guides you to how to appear offline on the popular social media platform. Learn the simple step to disable the activity status feature in Instagram, ensuring your online presence remain private. This feature, usually showing a green dot and your last active time, can be easily turned off for more discreet browsing. Ideal for those times when you want to explore Instagram without any interruption or just need some quiet time away from social interaction. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. By doing this, you can achieve privacy on Instagram. Turn off the activity status feature on Instagram to navigate the platform privately without displaying your online status. For this, start the Instagram application on your device. Go to your profile by tapping the icon in the lower right corner. Tap the hamburger icon on your profile page in the upper right corner. Next, select Settings and Privacy. Next, scroll down to see the option of Activity Status. If you can't find the activity status, tap on the search bar at the top and then search for Activity Status. Next, tap on Show Activity Status. Toggle off Show Activity Status to hide your online presence. By following these steps, you can enjoy Instagram discreetly without broadcasting your active status or last seen to others. Disabling activity status on Instagram provides privacy but also limits visibility into others' online presence. When you hide your activity status, you also lose the ability to see others' status. For multiple Instagram accounts, you need to change the settings individually per account. Turning off activity status doesn't affect the message read recipient. Others can still see when you have read their messages. Being aware of these aspects helps balance your desire for privacy with the functionality of social interaction in Instagram, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to how to appear offline on Instagram, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.